Hi everyone, today we are solving another coding challenge from HackerRank in the interview preparation kit. So the problem today is called Mark and Toys, and the problem is the following. Mark and Jane are very happy after having their first child. Their son loves toys, so Mark wants to buy some. There are a number of different toys laying in front of him, tagged with their prices. Mark has only a certain amount to spend, and he wants to maximize the number of toys he buys with this money. Given a list of toy prices and an amount to spend, determine the maximum number of kits he can buy. So we are going to have a array of prices, as you can see, the amount of prices and their budget. So the budget is the limit of some is the highest sum of prices that we can have. So what they want is for us to output how many items he can buy in the best scenario of, like, the biggest amount of items he can buy with certain amount of money, which is in this case is 50. So he can buy 4 items because he can buy 1, 12 plus 15 and plus 10, and this doesn't go over. If he adds or buys all the other items, he's going over his budget. So it's pretty simple. We just need to keep track of the amount that he's buying with the variable sum, and let me see, with the variable we need to keep track of the spending with the variable total, which is equal to 4, and how many times, and count how many toys you can buy with it. So to facilitate our process, we first sort the items using the sort function, and then we go over the already sorted array of values. We go over then prices, so we check if the total plus the next price tag in line is still smaller than the budget that he had. So if that's true, then we can add that price to the sum, and we count once. And then we want to return how many times we add up to that value. Error. Okay, because I forgot S. And then we get all the values correctly, and no problem with runtime or space. So going over again, we need a variable to tally the total if he's reaching, to compare with the budget, which is K. So that's the maximum amount of money he can spend, and a variable to count how many times we are adding. Then we sort the strings we go over the string from smallest to the largest. This way we don't need to do many uh, parse many times with a sorted array. We don't need to parse many times, and then we can only going through once we can find the best, um, the most, the maximum amount of items you can buy. And that's it for today. Thank you very much and have a good one.